Welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to pronounce and how to write the words nose, mouth and eye in Russian language. So let's begin. The first word is eye. How do you pronounce eye in Russian language? You pronounce glass. And how do you write the word eye in Russian language? You write glaz. So you probably heard the difference in the ending. You pronounce with S, glass, and you write with Z, glaz. The next word is nose. So how do you pronounce nose in Russian language? You pronounce nos, very similar to English language. And how do you write nose in Russian language? You write exactly as you pronounce nos. There is no difference. Next word is mouth. Mouth. How do you pronounce mouth in Russian language? You pronounce rot. And how do you write mouth in Russian language? You write rot, the same as you pronounce. What I would like to emphasize here is that in Russian language, the letters and the pronunciation is less softer than in English language. It means that if you are, as an English speaker, trying to pronounce the word mouth, you will probably pronounce it as rot. But the Russian language is more harder, more tougher to pronunciations relatively to English language, so pronounce it rot. So let's summary together with me the three words. Eye. How do you write? You write glaz. How do you pronounce? You pronounce glass. Nose. How do you write? You write nos. How do you pronounce? You pronounce nos. Mouth. How do you write? You write rot. How do you pronounce? You pronounce rot. Thank you for watching. See you next time.